I saw me have to laugh, you know. Me have to laugh. Genuinely me have to laugh because them youth here now learn, you see me? Here what? Prison and graveyard make for whole away. So somebody just linked me on the comment section after I did my summation of the most recent song from Alkaline that is called I don't remember his name. Anyway, he answered Squash, Pinocchio, and his song is called Death Announcements. So this is his official Instagram, right? Man himself. See? Now, check this out. Let me show you something. Watch this.
Suck your mother, big fat boy. Remember say your best friend and fuck your mother, you know. Me I say do tune, but anyway you see general, you know, you go box the general, you know. Anyway we see a gunshot, remember that pussy, you know, so that everywhere move here can go. Remember me tell you that, batty boy. Anyway we saw no you, Granny Clark, gunshot for the straight, dead boy. Suck your mother now.
Look for me, just bear me son. I don't take me one other son left for helping for my whole. What else will you do to me? Eh?
Wow. This is on Alkaline put this pan him thing, you know, or whoever runs his Instagram put this pan him thing. You see, remember when time I start? Remember when I said in the beginning, this could be good for dancehall if the artists them keep it lyrical, right? I guess this new generation of artists here, them can't keep the thing lyrical. Them have to go to some gun thing. Here what? Everybody out there have gun. You see me? And everybody out here fear for them life. So, gun is nothing frightening anymore. So when you start go yasso instead of lyrics, then we know say what? You're just a gunman, don't it? And from your gunman, you know where gunman get eventually. So see it again.
Suck your mother, big fat boy. Remember say your best friend and fuck your mother, you know. Me I say do tune, but anyway you see general, you know, you go box the general, you know. Anyway we see a gunshot, remember that pussy, you know, so that everywhere move here can go. Remember me tell you that, batty boy. Anyway we saw no you, Granny Clark, gunshot for the straight, dead boy. Suck your mother now.
Look for me, just bear me son. I don't take me one other son left for helping for my whole. What else will you do to me? Eh?
Alright, so. Alright, so. So it's not a lyrical thing then. Eh? It's a gun thing. It's a gun thing. I understand in the song, right? Just like how you have when name there in a song. Mavado in the song where Mavado say, have your girl palm me dick and make some nice scream, right? Buy your kids them ice cream, take over your whole scheme, buy your kids them ice cream, have your girl palm me dick and make some nice scream. And him saying we send Shorty go over Horizon, go poison him, go poison Vibes Cartel, all these things. We were saying, yo, that's mad disrespectful, but that's friggin' all is fair in love and war. But that was a lyrical war, right? Lyrical confrontation. Now, with the whole Squash thing and Alkaline thing, I just feel like, say, I don't know, the man them what? Them don't want to do the clash thing, them prefer just do the gun thing. So, are you running out of lyrics? Or you don't have lyrics for counteract, so you just go to the gun? Hear me I say, Alkaline better clean this up quick. And remember, say, under the George Bush administration, them a move funny right now. So unless your money stack up nice, brother, and you decide, say, you don't want to deal with America again for a long while, because what you're doing right here on your Instagram is posting terroristic threats and showing weapons. And don't be surprised if somebody show up at your door and you have to give an account for all these weapons. Now, in the United States of America, we all have these weapons. Especially in the state of Florida, it's not hard. I'm explaining to people who might not know this. It's not hard. I got my first gun at 18 years old. Bought it for myself, legally. As soon as I turned 18 because I wanted to see if I was going to if I was able to do so. I'm gonna buy a shotgun, right? And it took me 2 days to get it. Them call me, say my background check, come back clean, come pick up my gun. And before you know it, I was riding down the street with a pump action shotgun. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't hard to get these guns here in the US. Now, we don't know if this is in the US though, that's the thing. Because this could be in Jamaica, but if this is in Jamaica and a bad man have them gun here out the road and I flaunt them on social media, then that could be a whole other thing. But I'm willing to bet or guess that this is in the US, right? And if it is, let's put it this way. Law enforcement can push up on Alkaline and make him have to prove where these come from. You know what I'm saying? Produce the weapons and produce your legal papers for the weapons. That's before we even discuss the threats, the death threats that are going along with showing these guns. So, you know, some man when them feel like say them really, really bad, you can't tell them nothing. My bad and you can't tell me nothing until fire blaze up under them foot, right? Then they're in a whole different predicament. Me say enough bad man already, you know, get clocked down out the street or end up a prison with some what we call football numbers. And then them in there talk about pray for me. And somebody can put some money in my commissary and these kind of things, right? And him best friend, they out there ride him wife and these kind of things. So you're heading to nowhere nice, brother. When you start them thing, yeah, that's how I try to tell you now. And here what, you see the artists them what thinks that this is cool, or the fans them that think this is cool, all you're doing is encouraging the man for self-destruct. Remember me tell you that. And when him done self-destruct, when you see him one, I go sit down and laugh after him. And talk about how him did bossy and go on like him tough and him a bad man. And look which part him end up on all this stuff. So, don't encourage the friggery. That's what I try telling you here. This right here, so.
Suck your mother, big fat boy. Remember say your best friend and fuck your mother, you know. Me here say do tune, but anyway you see general, you know, you go box the general, you know. Anyway we see a gunshot, remember that pussy, I know son that everywhere I move here can go. Remember me tell you that, batty boy. Anyway we saw no you, Granny Clark, gunshot for the straight, dead boy. Suck your mother now.
Look for me, just hear me, son. I don't take me one other son on left for helping from my whole. What else will you do to me? Eh?
Alright. And now, let me close this video by saying this. If I diss a wagwan and it's a gun thing and actually not music thing, then me just stay far from it. Yeah? Me just stay far from it, cause this is workless. That's all I'm gonna say about that. It don't make no sense. You keep it lyrical if you claim you're a bad lyricist and you're number one and all this. You prove it with a microphone. You prove it with pen and paper. You prove it in a voice booth. You prove it by dropping songs. I saw the thing go. You keep it on wax. Anytime it start talk about man a brandish big gun and I talk about anyway you see them, you're gonna shock them up. That wasn't no song. That was a straight threat. You see me? So him have to give the man a box in a song. Enough artists to clash song already and have a man to give man box and tell man how them a ride off them wife and all these other things and kept it on wax, bruh. Yo, leave your comment in the comment section below and tell me. And let me say this before I go, man. See, this is one of the reasons right here why I did actually just stop review dancehall music. Because when you have become enlightened, it's very hard to go back to self-destruction and stupidity. Yeah? But I'm over here giving them the benefit of the doubt thinking, yo, this is a lyrical thing. But it don't look like a lyrical thing. This look like gunman thing. Talk up in the comment section. Let me hear what you got to say. I'm out. Peace.